I don't understand. We have tried everything email campaigns, influencer partnerships, but nothing seems to be working. Our online presence is barely making a mark.
I know, Harjeet, it's been tough. We need to find a way to reach our target audience more effectively. We can't afford to lose money like this.
I've been thinking, what if we try Facebook ads? It's a powerful platform with a massive user base. Maybe that's the missing piece we have been looking for.
Facebook ads. Huh. It's worth giving a shot. We need to be strategic about it. We can't just throw money at random ads and hope for the best. We need a solid plan. So, let's start by understanding Facebook ads in detail. Now, why should we or any other business advertise on Facebook? Number one is it effectively targets the customers. Utilize Facebook's extensive user data for precise audience targeting. Tailor your approach based on demographics like gender, location, and age. Now, Facebook's unique lifestyle-oriented targeting includes interest, job history, income, political affiliation, major life events, and spoken languages. Number two is achieve faster results. You can master Facebook Ads Manager for quick results. According to a recent survey of US retailers, 41% reported the highest return on advertising spend from Facebook ads, far exceeding the average conversion rates across all industries, which stands at just 8.25%. Number three is track ad performance in real time. Although Facebook Analytics is no longer fully available, Meta still provides resources for understanding ad performance. Track metrics such as reach, engagement, conversions, and more in real time for informed campaign adjustments. Now, beyond the notable success of Facebook advertising, the social network continues to expand its offerings, including Facebook Shop, a platform where your Facebook audience can shop directly from your fan page, as well as from your dynamic product ads and an Instagram shopping catalog. Next is Facebook Marketplace, an avenue for peer-to-peer selling similar to Etsy, but without the associated fees. Next is Facebook Dynamic Retargeting Ads, a feature enabling you to retarget users who visited your site with similar products to those they viewed, utilizing an algorithm to select products with the highest engagement. Now, let's understand the different types of Facebook ads. Number one is image ads. Image ads on Facebook are basic ads that use single images to promote products, services, or brands. They are versatile and can be used in various ad types and placements. Number two is visual appeal. Now, these ads work well for campaigns with strong visual content, such as illustrations, designs, or photographs. They are suitable for any stage of the sales funnel. Third is video ads. Now, video ads on Facebook allow businesses to showcase products, services, or brands using a single video. They are helpful for demos, tutorials, and engaging content. Shorter videos, preferably under 15 seconds, tend to attract more engagement. Number fourth is carousel ads. Now, carousel ads display multiple images or videos that users can click through. They are perfect for showcasing various products or guiding users through a process. Number fifth is instant experience ads. Now, instant experience ads, previously known as canvas ads, are mobile-only interactive ads that let users engage with your promoted content on Facebook. Number six is collection ads. Now, collection ads provide a mobile window shopping experience where users can browse through a product lineup. They are suitable for businesses with a variety of products and services. Number seven is lead ads. Now, lead ads are designed for mobile devices and make it easy for people to submit their contact information without much typing. They are great for collecting newsletter subscriptions or inquiries. Number 8 is slideshow ads. Now, slideshow ads feature multiple images or a single video that plays in a slideshow. They use less data than video ads and are suitable for markets with slow internet connections. Number 9 is stories ads. Stories ads are full-screen vertical videos that maximize the screen size on mobile devices. They offer creative freedom with emojis, stickers, filters, and more. Number 9 is Messenger ads. Now, Messenger ads appear in Facebook's Messenger tab, offering a more personal interaction with users. They're ideal for starting conversations with your brand. Now, let's understand how to post ads on Facebook. Step 1. Set up your business page. If you don't have one already, create a Facebook business page. Step 2. Choose your objective. Log into Facebook Ads Manager, click Create and select your campaign objective like brand awareness, engagement, conversions, app installs, catalog sales, lead generation, etc. Step 3. Name your campaign. Give your campaign a name and specify any special category your ad falls under. Step 4. Set budget and schedule. Decide how much money you want to spend and when you want your ad to run. You can choose a daily or lifetime budget. Step 5. Target your audience. Define your audience based on location, age, gender, language, and interests. Remember, effective targeting is key to maximizing ROI, and there's no shortage of ways to target your audience using Facebook Ads Manager. Step 6. Select ad placements. Choose where your ads will appear, either automatically across Facebook's platforms or manually selecting specific placements. Step 7. Set brand safety and cost controls. Exclude sensitive content and set a block list for specific websites or publishers. Step 8. Create your ad. Choose your ad format, add text and media components and preview your ad before publishing. Now let's discuss tips for results-worthy Facebook advertising. Number 1 is keep Facebook ad specs in mind when designing your creative. Number 2 is craft engaging ad copy that sells the benefits of your offer. Number 3 is boost credibility with social proof like reviews or customer photos. Number 4 is experiment with various ad variations to optimize your Facebook advertising strategy. As we wrap up, I and many other businesses like us know what are Facebook ads and which type of those will turn out to be the best for their businesses. If you have any queries, please get in touch with our experts on WhatsApp or visit our website link. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts and hit the subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.